This goddamn war will be the death of me. I need to find me some food and some ammunition, or I ain't gonna survive. Well, look at what we have here. I think I found my first bit of food. Now that is definitely gonna help. All I need now is some ammo. Wait, what's this? Yeah, boy. Now the war really starts. I've got here possibly a dark alliance. We will see. Gingers don't always unite. I'm in the village now. I think I got something to trade. We'll see how this goes. Thought I'd better take some evidence. Righteous scum. Remember this face. He's going to be on the end of my gun a lot today. Seems to be a lot of shooting going on. Not this guy again.
Okay, what do you reckon? Yeah. What do we do? Hey? Yeah, take it with us. Yeah.
I've been possessed. I don't know where this will end for me, but these boys, they're gonna help me out. We've got some shooting coming up. Let's see where this ends. This is really quite intense. We don't know where the others are, but our group is making their way through. We got a lot to trade. What is thy quest, O great leader of the village?
We are without a radio transmitter. We have the aerial, but no transmitter. All I can tell you is in the Valley of Death, I've heard words. Go, see, bring it back to us.
Let's go, boys. We've just found a huge stash of guns and ammo. We definitely don't want these falling into the hands of the righteous, or the smokers for that matter. It's time we put these somewhere where they can't do no harm. Tiger Army now numbers 13. We need a few more bods and we might just be able to take some form of end to this war. Tiger Army's numbers are just about outnumbering this war. We better kick some ass. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Come on, guys. Come on, come on.
Fucking go fast, fucking. Been up a fucking hill 3 times today. So much fun. Yeah.
Come on, come on, come on.
Yeah. Oh, okay. I still got shit to trade, man. Got some glasses and...
So we did it. We got our book and we got it back to our base. Now we're just waiting for all hell to break loose. Getting ready for the final assault. This is where we take it to the bastards. It'll be the end of them if I can help it. How was your day, boys?
Oh, you know, the best ever.
Are you feeling post-apocalyptic?
Post-apocalyptic.
Yeah, I'm fucking hungry.
And tired. And I smell.
Yeah.
This must be post-apocalyptic.
My skin's falling off, look.
Yeah, go home and put some powder on your vajayjay.
We stalked the wall from the Duke's house, right? So the guys in there picking at us.
Touch! Yes! Woo!